limp into Malta with some engine problems. The top car of our mainsail had broken off and we were in need of some serious jib repair. Chores first, explore later. Whether we have salt water or fresh water, Seascape deserves a good wash down.
It was 4 days to Malta, and my mum and dad were very, very exhausted, so I was making supper.
Don't lick it.
The small and picturesque village of Marsaxlokk is the largest fishing harbour of Malta and remains a slice of real Maltese life, despite the encroachment of industry and descent of hundreds of tourists. On Sundays, many Maltese visit the Marsaxlokk fish market to buy the morning's catch. We were lucky enough to arrive at the time of the town's religious festival, so got to see a beautiful display of some lights and the religious parade, as well as treat ourselves to some local delicacies. Following the rhythm of nature, in Gozo there's a special place where magic has been happening for thousands of years. Along the west coast is a place where the elements all come together. Sun, salt, sea and stone.
Looks like crystals.
Yes, it does. Don't lick your fingers.
No thanks. Too salt.
Back in the 1950s, it was said to bring bad luck to spill salt, which also goes back to ancient Rome, reporting that salt was formerly a symbol of friendship because its long-lasting quality.
While exploring the area, I slip on a rock and slice the underside of my toe. With no doctors or hospitals around, I decide the best option is to stitch it myself. Man. The end result, a neat 4 stitches. Episode 2 of Dr. Robin Lavery. It's been 6 or 7 days since I put the stitches in. I think it's time for them to come out now. It's healed quite well. I think it's looking good. Hasn't closed completely. Yeah, it's worked out better than I expected. I did put myself on a course of antibiotics after taking the stitches, 100 milligrams of doxycycline every 12 hours for a week. That was just a precaution to make sure I didn't get any infection. Just a bit of betadine, maybe at night, keep it dry with some mercurochrome. It should be fine in a couple of days.
The The west coast is pretty interesting with some seriously high cliffs, but it does make for some interesting anchorages. Here we have a rolly entrance into a 40-meter gap with only about 8 meters below us.